So in today's video, I would like to take you all to my kitchen for this quick and easy recipe. I'll be making egusi soup with bitter leaf. Yes, you heard me right. Okay, let's just get right into this video. So first thing first, I'll go ahead and boil my bitter leaf. This helps to remove any bitterness. Okay, I'll boil it, drain and set it aside. So in a pot, I transferred meat stock. Okay, yes, I'll cover this to boil. So it has been boiling perfectly. Okay, I'll go ahead and season with some onions. Okay, and then I'll transfer my grounded melon seeds. These are grounded melon, which is also known as egusi. So I'll go ahead and transfer it to the meat stock. I'm going to stir this properly to dissolve. Okay, I want to dissolve the lumps. I want a very smooth texture. All right, so yes, I'll stir it properly to combine and then cover it to cook. Okay, so this has been cooking for like 8 to 10 minutes now, although I was stirring it behind the camera so that it doesn't burn. Okay, yes, the egusi is properly cooked now, like not really, no, at least it should be like 80 or 90% cooked now. So I'll go ahead and add my other ingredients. I added stock fish fillet to this. I also went ahead and added my deboned washed mackerel. Sorry, this is not mackerel, this is mangala fish. So I'll go ahead and add my cooked stock fish head. Okay, yes, I cooked that stock fish head with pressure pot to hasten the cooking process. Okay, so in there I added my grounded habanero peppers and obey. Okay, yes, I grounded both habanero peppers and obey, so I added it there. I also went ahead and added my chopped onions. Guys, you know me, I love onions. Okay, so just add to your taste, any quantity you like, it's fine. So I went ahead and added my chopped onions. I'm going to stir this properly to combine. Okay, yes, I also went ahead and added my meat, cooked meat. This is not my meat, I shall added cooked meat. Okay, yes, I cooked the meat with pressure pot as well. Okay, yes, the meat is not properly cooked, it's still a bit tough, so I added some red oil. These are palm oil, like original palm oil, guys. So I went ahead and added my palm oil at this point because I don't really like the taste of palm oil in my food, so I added it early so that it can get rid of the taste. Okay, so you have to stir this properly. All right, I noticed that it's a bit thick, so I went ahead and added some water. This is I rinsed my mortar. I used mortar and pestle for the habanero peppers and the bay, so I went ahead and added the water now. Okay, so I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook for 10 to 15 minutes. So this has been cooking for 10 to 15 minutes now. Yeah, I cooked it for 12 minutes. Okay, so I stirred it properly to combine. Okay, yes, the soup is already looking yummy. It's looking yummy. So I tasted it and I noticed that it lacked some seasoning cubes, so I went ahead and added some seasoning cubes. Yes, these are beef seasoning. Okay, I also added some salt. I added some grounded crayfish. Just add these things to taste. Okay, use whatever quantity that suits you. All right, yeah, so I stirred it properly to combine. Yeah, I stirred it properly to combine. So I will, because bitter leaf is a very strong vegetable. Okay, I'll go ahead and add it now. Guys, this bitter leaf is egusi and bitter leaf soup is ebano. What I mean by ebano is authentic, like you will never get filled while eating it up. You keep eating and keep longing for more. Okay, if at this point you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please click on that subscribe button. It is totally free to join this wonderful, amazing family, and I promise you won't regret it. Okay, and in case if I forgot to mention my name is Uju, and you are highly welcome to Ujulinnspace. All right, thank you so much for dropping by. So I stirred the soup properly. Okay, for extra flavors, I will go ahead and add my uziza leaves. Guys, I love this uziza leaves so much. I love using uziza leaves for my egusi soup, ogbono soup, okra soup, oha soup, just do you, okay? I just wanted a bit of, you know, uziza taste in my soup, but this is totally optional, like optional, okay? I covered my soup and allowed it to cook for just 2 minutes, guys, and voila, the soup is ready. Like, this soup tasted so good, we kept on longing for more. If you've watched up until now, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you've not, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I make an upload. Bye bye.